In this video, we're going to have a quick look at the valves, the valve seats, and their guides.
So we unloaded the valve springs. You can see a pretty decent buildup. Just some oil, carbon. From wear, I'm sure that down the side.
Here I'm just wiggling the valve and the guide. It's a quick bi-feel check for guide wear. The stem's easy enough to measure, but the guide isn't, so this will just give you a sense of the clearance.
Yeah, valve will need to be replaced. It's a fairly significant chunk out of the chrome. Looks like it was sealing all the way around. Now we're looking at the exhaust, and it has a little more carbon buildup. It wasn't sealing particularly good. That should be fairly shiny, I would say. At least show some contact, where here it's got quite a bit of buildup on that valve surface.